For next question, it's given that you have to find the force required to move a train of mass 10 raised for 5 kg up an incline to 1 in 50. So what does this 1 in 50 mean? So let's say this is the inclined plane and the train is moving up this inclined plane. Suppose this is the train that is moving up the inclined plane. Okay, now 1 in 50 means that for every 50 meter up on an inclined plane, there is a vertical rise of 1 meter. And let's say theta is the angle of inclination. So here, this is P and this is H. So sine theta is equal to P by H, give us 1 by P. Let's also calculate cos theta. So cos theta is 1 minus sine square theta, and if you put in the value of sine theta, which is 1 by 50 the whole square, so this is now equal to under root 1 minus 1 upon 2500, which will give us 2500 minus 1 upon 2500. So this is equal to 2500 minus 1 is 2499 upon 2500. So these two values are almost equal. So we can say that if we divide these two, 22499 by 2500, we will get the value as, if we divide this 2499 by 2500, we will get the value 0.996. This is equal to 0.996, and we can write it as, if we round off this is almost root 1. So root 1 is 1. So we can say that the value of cos theta is 1. So let's just keep it as cos theta is equal to 1. Okay, now the weight of this train is acting vertically downwards, and this is the normal direction R. Okay, so this is the normal direction R, which is balanced by the horizontal component. This is theta, and the horizontal component is mg cos theta. Okay, now we have to, this train has to move up, so that means the force acceleration is in this direction. So acceleration is in this direction, we have to require the force in the upward direction, and its vertical component is mg sine theta. So this is the vertical component mg sine theta, which is acting in this direction, and also the force of friction between the train and the planes on the inclined plane is also in this direction as the train is moving upward. So the net force acting on the train has to be balanced, or should be equal to, in this one component mg sine theta plus force of friction and the pseudo force m into a. So this is the force required to pull the train up on this inclined plane. So this is mg sine theta, and this has to be the force, the maximum force of friction. So nu is equal to, this is the maximum force of friction divided by the normal direction. So this should be equal to nu into r. So instead of this, we can write nu into r plus ma, and we know that r is balanced by the component, horizontal component mg cos theta. So this is mg sine theta plus nu into mg cos theta plus m into a. And in these two terms, r common is mg, so this is equal to sine theta plus nu into cos theta plus m into a. So this should be the force required to move a train up an inclined plane. Okay, let's put in the values. Here the mass is 10 raised power 5 kg, g has to be 10, sine theta is 1 by 50, nu is equal to friction between the rail is point, this is 0.05, and into cos theta is 1, and m is 10, and once again acceleration is also given, which is 2 meter per second square, so this is 2. Now f is equal to, this is 10 raised power 6, 1 by 50. 1 by 5 is zero point 0.2, and divided by 10, this should be equal to 0.02, plus this is 0.05, this is 0.05. So this coefficient of friction, it's not 0.05, it's actually 0.005. The coefficient of friction is 0.005. Let's correct that. So this is
What makes Diwali
0.005.
magical?
This is 0.005
Connecting with old friends.
plus 10 into 2 is what? Mass is, sorry, this is 10 raised power. So this is
Sharing
2 into 10
endless
raised power 5.
laughter.
Okay, let's simplify this. So force is equal to 10 raised power
Starting
6,
new
and this is now
traditions.
equal to 0.025 plus 2 into 10 raised power 6. Let's take
And coming
10
together
raised power
no
5.
matter what. This Diwali bring
This is
magic
10
home
raised power 5.
with Xiaomi.
Okay, if we take 10 raised power 5 common, so this is
Diwali with
10
me.
into 0.025
Bring magic
plus
home.
2, and this is equal to 10 raised 5, 10 raised power 5, and this now equal to 0.05 plus 2. That should be equal to 2.25 into 10 raised power 5 Newton. So this is the force required to move this train up with the given information. Thank you for watching.